Yeah. If you are a content creator of any kind, I've got something very special and very exciting to show you today. I've been waiting for this one for a while. This is going to solve so many problems. And if it works out the way I think it might, this could be a real game changer for my new YouTube studio. My friends over at Tarion sent this over. It is a 4-in-1 desktop solution for mounting a camera, like a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, a key light or fill light, a microphone boom arm, and an external monitor in one solution. I am so excited to get this unboxed and set up. I'm going to show you a lot of before, I'm going to show you how we set it up, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Can't wait to get into this one, guys. My name is UK. Let's just rip this open. All right, so this is the problem that I'm trying to solve. And hopefully the Tarion 4-in-1 desk solution will solve this. This is their Titan rig system. And hopefully it's gonna replace this tripod, another tripod that I'm filming with right now, my clamp for my newer key light. I have this. It's a weighted mount that I could put another light or a microphone or anything to. And then I have my boom arm. The other thing I'd really like to get set up here is another screen. So when I'm facing the camera, I can read from scripts, or basically like a teleprompter, or I can use it for my stream chat. When I turn to face the camera, I can have my stream chat right there and interact with my viewers without turning away from the camera. So the Tarion 4-in-1, it's going to solve a lot of problems for me. Fingers crossed this goes well. I'm going to switch over to a hyperlapse real quick while I get this built, and then I will come back with my thoughts and how it all went. Alrighty, I have read the instructions. It seems pretty straightforward. Let's give this a go, shall we? So just want to point out right off the bat, this base, this is like the bread and butter of this whole system. It is all metal, it is solid, it is heavy, it is well built. And it also has a cushion protector for your desktop, which I love. Some C-clamps don't come with this. This one does. So it's going to protect the finish of your desktop. Quick heads up, I have a FlexiSpot Coma all-in-one sit-stand desk, and it has this really thick metal lip all the way around, so I can't get C-clamps flush. However, there's enough material in this lip for me to get these to clamp onto. I've clamped screens and all kinds of stuff onto this before, no problems. Hopefully the Tarion will be the same. It's in exactly the same clamp system. It's just a regular C-clamp, and then everything goes onto the C-clamp. So we'll start a timer and we'll see how long this takes to get set up. Step 1, bolt this on. Okay, you don't want to go too tight on one side. You want to go a couple of turns on each side just to make sure that everything's flush, that pressure's distributed evenly. And then I'm going to get underneath and then I'm going to check. That I have enough of this material gripping before I start putting expensive equipment on here. And again, not a Tarion thing, this is a desk issue. This lip is pretty unique. Not all desks have this. In fact, hardly any desks have this. Okay, I'm confident in that. Step 1 done. Oh yeah, it's not going anywhere. Step 2. So these have a quick release, I believe. That's what this is. I'm not sure if this is open or closed. We will find out. Okay, this is open. So this one's the camera arm. And you saw how easy that was, and then this should, I believe, lock. Oh yeah. all metal. I can lift my desk with this, and this is a heavy desk. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's get the next one. This is the Visa mount, which you can mount your monitor to, or they have an attachment for iPad or phone. Same thing, slide it on while it's unlocked. Pull down to lock, and that should, wow. Tarion, I think you knocked it out of the park with the setup of this. I don't think I've ever set up any piece of desk furniture or office equipment this easily before. This is crazy. I actually think I'm done. I think I've been talking longer than I've been setting this stuff up. Yeah, I'm literally done. That's it. Are you kidding me? Wow. I babbled for a bit while setting that up. That was crazy. Was that like 2 minutes, if that? Thing isn't going anywhere. Yeah, all metal. This is all metal. Wow. Initial impressions. Thank you very much for making this, Tarion. Another company makes something not quite like this, but it's magnitudes higher price. Multiple X's of the price of this thing. This thing is absolutely nutty good. All right, so I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna start configuring it and setting it up how I want it and playing around with different configurations. And then I'll jump back with what I managed to get done and what I think out of the box. Wow, so before I get way too carried away with this, because I think this is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm so excited. So just a quick heads up, I'm not done playing with this yet. I've been at this for about 30 minutes just playing with different configurations and stuff. This thing is bananas good, like bananas good. So this is a very heavy 27-inch 4K DAL display. It is very heavy. It's a full extension and it has so much maneuverability with these arms. It's absurd. You can place your screen at any angle, portrait, landscape, you name it. You've got full articulation all the way around. This is a very heavy, I believe it's a 16 or 18-inch key light from Newer. Very heavy light. Again, absolute, sturdy, solid as a rock. This mount is never going anywhere, ever. So I don't know the weight, but if I have to guess, it's a good at least 20 pounds there, maybe even 25 pounds. And it is solid. Something else to note, it comes with a Visa mount. So you put your Visa mount on and then it's got a quick release. So you can just pop this on and off. Awesome. Like it actually comes with the Visa mount, a quick release Visa mount. Included in the box is the iPad stand. So if you don't want to use a monitor, if you don't want to use like a traditional computer screen, you can use an iPad. So this has got the adjustable arms and you pop that on instead. Again, same thing, quick release. So if you want a quick release from a screen to an iPad, a minute and you're done. This is such a clever system, this interchangeable quick release for the Visa mount. Absolutely fantastic. This is metal. The quality of this is absolutely astronomical. It's even got the rubber protector on the back so you're not going to all scratch it up. Absolutely crazy. And another little attachment that comes, if you don't want to do the full-size camera, if you don't want to do something like a DSLR or a mirrorless, it's got this thing. So this is a phone holder, a phone or a thinner tablet holder. So you would just replace the camera on the little ball head with this, and then you've got a camera mount. So good. I am so impressed with this. It is not even funny. Something to note, it does ship with this handheld mic holder. So I believe you just slot the microphone in there and it's like a friction fit. It is threaded, so you can replace this. I do not have the correct size threaded adapter for my microphone. It does come in the box with a bunch of different accessories. I wouldn't expect it to come with different size threaded adapters for microphones, since it does come with the pressure fit handheld microphone. I believe you can also put shotgun mics in here. My shotgun mic is a tiny little Rode Video Micro. It's not going to fit in there. But Tarion, I've been talking to them for some time now, and what they're going to do is they're going to make this whole system, this is their Titan rig 4-in-1 system. They're going to build individual pieces that you can purchase and expand and build this however you want. So if, for instance, you just wanted a dual monitor display, you could buy another one of these arms with the VESA mount and have 2 arms for your monitors. If you needed 2 key lights, you could buy the light arm and place it wherever you want on this system, and same thing. So you'd be able to expand and swap and change and customize this whole rig however you see fit. So when those hit the market, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start buying all of the different accessories that they offer, because compared to that original shot, I have nothing going on the floor. This is super clean. I have complete 360-degree control over everything. I can turn all of this around and face it all that way without messing around with unbolting and unlatching. Like, this is the coolest, most modular, most dynamic, amazing desk clamp system I've ever come across. And I believe this for the whole system is like $160. I've seen something similar from a different brand that was $700. This thing is $160, something like that, on Amazon right now. How are you manufacturing something that's like metal and built this well and expandable? And these pressure quick releases, they're so tight and so perfectly form-fitting. The manufacturing and build quality on this is through the roof. I mean, even this little Tarion branded glossy panel here, it just screams quality. Like, I trust thousands of dollars of equipment rested on this without going through and checking everything's nice and tight, because this thing is an absolute tank. It took me 4 minutes to put it together, and then I spent probably an hour just playing with different configurations. This is so versatile. Look guys, if you're a content creator, if you're a live streamer, if you're a YouTuber, or even if you just have a camera, like a webcam and a microphone separate, and they're taking up space on your desk, maybe you've got one of those Elgato key lights on a clamp, and then you've got another clamp for your monitor, just get one of these. It's going to get rid of all the clutter. It's going to get rid of all of the different clamps. It's going to be in one system that's completely configurable. You can orientate this literally 360 degrees, and it's going to do everything that all of the individual things do way better. Like, you have so much control over the positioning of everything. Everything. Height, swivel, tilt, you name it. Again, this VESA mount they send, look at this. It's like fully... This is built into the cool little VESA mount thing. I've never seen that. Usually it's built into the arm. It's not, this is actually in the mount. This is crazy good. This is the best thing since sliced bread. I mean, I'm beyond thrilled with this. I don't know if my excitement is coming through enough, because I'm so excited. I'm gonna play around with all kinds of different configurations of this. I'm gonna jump to the front view, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on it. And wow. I mean, absolute home run. And this is what it looks like from the other side. And to say that is cleaner and absolutely awesome is just a true massive understatement. This is the coolest desk mounting system I have ever seen. And I have tried just about every single desk mounting system. I've gone through C-clamps, tripods, clamp tripods, you name it. In terms of versatility and what they've got in the works, the Tarion 4-in-1 Titan rig desk solution is hands down the best piece of kit I own today. This thing is absolutely bonkers good. I mean, look how good it looks from this side. Again, content creators, live streamers, you name it. This is my system, this is my computer, so this is where I'm going to be sitting and live streaming, and then I can sit and talk to my camera and use that screen there for my live chat or for my scripts. When I do my YouTube videos, I've got my key light mounted. I can complete control over the positioning of that. I get a shotgun mic up there in the mic holder, complete flexibility on where the camera gets pointed. This thing is insanely good, really well built, crazy good quality. 11 out of 10, Tarion home run. Okay, now, well, as you can probably tell, it's dark outside. I've been playing with this new rig all day. It is truly fantastic. Get a few disclaimers out of the way. Tarion did send me this for free. They didn't ask for anything in return. They are going to see my review as you see my review as I post it here on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful if you've been shopping for desk mounts. I've spent so much time, so much money playing around with different desk configurations. I think I have a dual monitor stand here. If I was to go back in time, something like the Titan rig existed, I would have just gone with this. It's so versatile. Again, they are coming out with a bunch of different arms. I believe this system's going to become fully modular over time. Again, the Tarion 4-in-1 desk set. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's an affiliate link, but it is not connected to Tarion. I don't get a commission if I sell Tarion products. It's just a regular Amazon affiliate link to this specific model. If you're interested and you do end up buying it, I'll get a little kickback. Yeah, this is such a fun day. I'm so overly enthusiastic about products that solve problems, and my desk looks fantastic. My floor is clean. If you like this kind of stuff, why not consider subscribing? Maybe if you click the subscribe button right now, this will move. Or not. I've been UK. You've been fantastic. I'll see you in the next one.